Woo. All right, on a Friday. So while I'm on my way to work, I don't know about you guys, but Friday tends to be the busiest day for me. I don't know about other industries, but it seems like more people are flexible to get to my shop. They want to schedule on Friday. So it's always a cluster for us. We now have 3 locations. I pretty much manage all 3. I may not be the guy doing the work. I probably don't do, I may do only about 5 to 10% of the work, but so the guys are very busy on Fridays. And of course, you know, we don't just do retail, we do body shops and dealerships and all that stuff. So I'm pretty sure it's their busier day 2 out of the week. So we always get that random call or a couple of random calls about, can you stop in today? So and we tend to always get it done. So I don't think it'll be anything different on this Friday. So, but I want to ask you guys, if you're not in the PDR industry, or if you are in the PDR industry, what is your busiest day? That kind of always intrigues me to see. I think it may be this area. We have a lot of government workers, and I believe Mondays and Fridays they can get off. They're just more flexible. Yeah, the third shop. Yeah, the third shop is open. So I pretty much, you know, like I said, I coached the guys enough, man. It's time to do. You know, I say you got between 2 and 3 years of my guidance. First year, I'm just pretty much, you know, I'm in your back pocket if you need me. But you know, I let you kind of figure things out your second and third year. Then after that, you know, it's time for you to be your own boss to a certain degree. Yeah, Brian's going in there. Yeah, it's just that's to me. It's the only way to scale. I don't know of any other way, honestly. You know, it's responsibility. You know. Well, I hope we don't have a shop that does well.
Without actually like looking at the shit and just like, okay, well let's, you know, advertise a little bit and see what comes through the door.
Yeah.
People should be recognizing like, hey, people are coming through the door and I need to adjust, or I need to slow this down and put time in the spot. Like,
yeah.
I think people see that early enough and then they just kind of try to write it out. So,
yeah, it's crazy because, you know, at that video you sent me with Gary Vee, it's basically saying that you're fighting for attention. So honestly, that's all it is. Sometimes you can open up a shop and you can float those months so that you can get attention, but I don't have that flexibility. And plus, the way this industry is, they got to just feel comfortable with you working on that car, and that just comes from your confidence level a lot of times. So I like to gain attention prior from opening up the shop, and that way they when they come to that shop, they know who they're coming to because they followed that particular person, you know, his journey or whatever, you know, wherever he does every day. So it just makes it right. It's real, you know. That guy, you know, yeah, he's not a 10-year tech, but You know, who says that a 10-year tech can do what a 3-year tech can do? It may be a little slower, this, you know the difficulties that you have, but 3 to 4 years, you will get through majority of the dents. 98% of the time, there's not a lot of difference. So, yeah, 23rd is the workshop, yep. Yep. Guys, so I'm stopping by the Mercedes-Benz dealership of Arlington. We're actually gonna visit the Dent guy here, which is Richard. So I need to get this Tesla tape. You actually get it from Mercedes. If you guys are interested in the part number, I can leave it in the description below. But we're on our way to the parts department. Then I'm gonna see if Richard's here. Stop in and see what he's doing today before my next appointment. So I'll bring you guys along. What's up, man? See you, man. How you been?
Good. Do you talk to him?
Yes, I talked to him. He said he's gonna put me in the system.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know, I showed him some YouTube videos.
Yeah, you may have that.
Yeah. He seemed pretty cool.
Yeah,
I just was trying to get there early, but he came in there like 12:30.
Right here.
Alright guys, just got the Tesla tape. Had a little difficulty. I had the wrong part number. So the tape was bringing up about $45, which is crazy. So here's the right part number if anybody's interested. You get them from the Mercedes-Benz dealership. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'll leave it in the description. But let's go hang out with Richard for a little bit. Oh wow. I need to clean that. I need to clean that seat. No good. Alright guys, we're visiting Richard from PDR Talk. What's
up, guys?
What are you working on?
Working on an Audi here. Had 2 creases. So did a little glue pulling with the root beer glue from Anson and various whale tails. Get right on the edge of the door and fixing the dent. So coming out nice.
See? We're about what, 6 miles away from each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to go out to lunch more often, but
We're friendly competitors.
yeah, exactly. It's friendly competitor, man. That N-word.
Right.
Alright guys, let's get to our next stop. I can't do it next week. I have literally. Oh, look at the GTR. Oh, I gotta take the dent out the door, huh? That GTR is clean as it can be. Oh, buddy. Always like a store over here. It's like a jewelry store for cars. It's just always. Look at that. All right, time to get to work. This is beautiful though. All right, where is he talking about? Right here on this roof?
Yeah.
Lift. Door came down on it.
Yeah, on this side too.
Yeah, good.
Both sides.
Yeah. Ooh. All right.
Both sides. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just something looks better than that. I've seen you guys work your magic.
Yeah, not hard. What happened? The garage door came down on it?
No, I have a stacker trailer.
Okay.
And coming back from Georgia, the rear straps on the car came loose. There's a rib in the ceiling of the trailer that allowed the car to bounce and hit that rib.
Kept bouncing right on it, huh?
Now that we do that, the front splitter to allow the car to go forward, and the ratchet straps on the floor tore up the front splitter.
No one never damaged that before, though.
No. Greg has no experience in that.
That's just getting in the lip.
What we're gonna start off is with glue. I'm just gonna get majority of it up, kind of make that dent, that damage just smaller. There's obviously the area towards the edge, right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's not pulling up with glue, but kind of when it goes closer to the middle of the panel, that will pull up and move. Now everything's getting held down by that particular area, so we're going to probably push a little bit first and then glue pull. So let's get started. Race car. I cannot roll this window down. It is what it is. I gotta write on this board, you know, which one's getting PDR. You know, just to help them out. There we go. That looks a lot better. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today on this vlog. It was a little long of a day, but hopefully you enjoy this style of video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Alright guys, see you next time.